going to be reviewing some new products from Curls, specifically for type 4 hair. Keep on watching. Okay, so this collection comes with 4 products. This is a part of the Blueberry Bliss collection, but again, this is specifically for type 4 hair, but it definitely can be used for any hair type. So first up is the Super Rich Moisture Fix, which is ultra hydrating. It smooths the hair shaft and reduces frizz. So this comes in 12 fluid ounces. It says the Blueberry Bliss Super Rich Moisture Fix is the moisturizing solution you have awaited for your entire life. Okay. It provides superior slip, instant moisture, and moisture retention, formulated for type 4 hair with marshmallow root and slippery elm extract. The directions say to apply after cleansing and or conditioning. Can be used daily or anytime a boost of moisture is needed. So this is like a hair moisturizer. Next up is the Define and Shine Smoothie, which provides intense shine, superior slip, and reduces frizz. This one you will see in this video. I did use this for the Bantu knot that I'm going to be doing. And this one is 8 ounces. It says the Blueberry Bliss Define and Shine Smoothie provides texture definition and insane shine with the texture stretch effect. Formulated for type 4 hair with mango seed butter, marshmallow root, and slippery elm extracts. The directions say to apply to sections of hair after conditioning. Proceed to style your hair in a wash and go, twist, braid, roller style, or an updo. I chose to do Bantu knots, and this can also be used daily. Next up is another one that you will see in this video. This is the Curl Defining Custard, which eliminates frizz, and it is also humidity protection. So I'll be using this to coil my sides. This says Blueberry Bliss Curl Defining Custard defines your texture while eliminating frizz and retaining moisture. Formulated for type 4 hair with aloe leaf extract, coconut oil, and mango butters. The directions say after cleansing and conditioning, apply to sections of hair and proceed to style your wash and go, twist, braid, roller style, or updo. For added hold, cocktail with the Blueberry Bliss Extended Hold Gel, and this can also be used daily. Next up is the Blueberry Bliss Extended Hold Gel. I did not use this in the video, but I'm definitely going to be using this for a wash and go, so stay tuned for that. This says it provides extreme hold and it is also flake free. So it says the Blueberry Bliss Extended Hold Gel is that gel. Formulated with marshmallow root, slippery elm, and reishi mushroom extracts. I think I said that right. To deliver extreme hold and humidity protection for type 4 hair, no flaking. The direction says after cleansing and conditioning, apply to sections of hair and proceed to style your wash and go, twist, braid, roller style, or sleek updo or ponytail. For softer hold, cocktail with the Blueberry Bliss Define and Shine Smoothie. And last but definitely not least is the Healthy Super Hold Edge Control. Super firm hold, and it protects the hairline. So I did use this in this video as well. So this is the one. It makes edge styling a breeze. Delivers super firm hold, shine, and breakage protection. It's formulated for type 4 hair with castor oil, rosemary leaf oil, and red clover extracts. The direction says apply smoothly to the hairline and style to create simple to dramatic edges or a sleek ponytail. And I did use this both for my edges and to sleek my ponytails. So this is the new line from Curls. Loving the line already. Can't wait to try all of the products. I absolutely love the original Blueberry Bliss line, and this collection just added more fire to the line. So if you haven't tried it yet, definitely run out and get it. Thank you later. Let's put these products to use. And here is the final look. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.